How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open your Gmail, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage your Google account at the top. It will lead you to this page. Simply scroll to the left at the top and you'll find Security. Click on Security and scroll down. Scroll down till you find Manage All Devices and click on it. After that, simply select the device you want to remove. Then click on Sign Out at the top. Press on Sign Out and you will be signed out. And this is how to remove your Gmail account from another device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.